Nikki, all me know say that I got ask for the rice and peas recipe. You're lucky some did work at it. So after me share me cook Sunday dinner with me, cooking my rice and peas and my oxtail. I had several requests to share the recipe, share how me make the rice and peas. Listen, this is not a recipe. This is just me as a Jamaican girl living in Canada showing you how I cook my rice and peas, on a Sunday or during the week. Now, usually I start soaking my peas overnight before Sunday morning. So usually Saturday night I put it to soak, usually with a few cloves of garlic and some pimento. Come Sunday morning now, me just turn on the stove and let it go and cook, take its time to cook until tender. Now usually I like to cook excess amount of peas, kidney peas, because I do not like the tin kidney peas. I like to cook my red kidney peas from scratch. So when I cook excess amount, I take some out and I let it cool and I put it in the freezer for the next time I feel to cook some rice and peas. Now, yes, although I don't like the red kidney beans in the tin, me I go use my coconut milk in the tin. Me not go brought no coconut. Me I do the easy way. So I add my coconut milk, then I add my seasoning and add my green seasoning. I still promise you I'm gonna do that video for you. And the green seasoning of the scallion, the garlic, onion, pimento, and all that good stuff. Next, I'm gonna add a fresh piece of thyme. Me never have no pepper. Usually Jamaicans like to add scotch bonnet pepper to them rice and peas, but I already have some pepper blended up in the green seasoning, and also I added some butter. Add your rice. Listen, me no measure nothing, me just eyeball everything. Me never measure the peas, me never measure the rice. I just eyeball everything. So this is not a step-by-step recipe of how much to measure and what to add, right? Just watch what me I do and follow what me I do. Now you're gonna cover after you add the rice, then you cover it and then you turn on the stove and let it steam. You check on it and you fluff up your rice if you like your rice on the shellier side or on the softer side. How do you like it? Let me know in the comments. I prefer my rice on the softer side. If my rice now live loving, when me share it out, me no want it. If you share my rice and them a run away from each other, so when it's like the parboiled rice, me no want it. My rice of choice is my jasmine rice. And look on the rice don't cook. And that is the consistency of rice, of how I like it on the softer side. Now, what would you eat with this rice and peas? I'm having some oxtail. Thanks again for sticking around with Yashika.